Hey guys, thanks for joining me for a unboxing. Welcome unboxing. How are you doing, guys? How is your weekend going? I hope you're okay. Right, I'm having a shaverage as well. Today's shaverage for this unboxing is Thatcher's Gold Somerset cider. It's a really smooth, refreshing cider. So cheers, guys. A little bit gutted. A package didn't turn up, but it should turn up today. So, bonus, there'll be an unboxing video tomorrow as well. All exciting stuff. I think I know what this one is, so I'm going to open this one up first. This one's from, I've got Draper to help me. This one's from oh, bit of a different camera angle as well, so I'm hoping you'll get to see a bit more for the unboxing. This one's from Shaving Station, and I think I know what it is. Is it open? Is it open? Yeah. There we go, guys. It's got to be the obligatory. Yeah, saving. Here we go already. You want a sip? Shaving Station. Invoice. I keep every receipt. I'm quite anal like that. Right, the obligatory foam, which is going to go in the sink. Yeah, I thought it was. Aftershave. Splash. And it's the Phoenix Artisan Recruitments, and it's Cavendish. I've got the soap. At the time I couldn't afford the soap and the splash to match, so I waited because I'm on a budget. I waited, saved up, and I can't smell it because it's sealed, and I'm not going to open it just yet, but the soap is gorgeous. My favourite tobacco scented soap. So that's that one. Again from Phoenix Artisan Recruitments, Gondolier. That is an awesome cologne type of scent. It's beautiful. So I've got that to match the soap as well. So a couple more videos coming up. A couple more shaves. Right. Put that back in there. Right, now this is the one. This is the one. I know what this is because it's from Slick Boys. Oh, well, remember as well, Jay Fett. Happy belated birthday, mate. I hope you had a great day. I know you had a great shave. Kept that one quiet. No, happy birthday for yesterday, mate. I hope you got lots of shaving gear. Lots of bubble wrap. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? It's my timeless razor. Beautiful packaging, beautiful box on it. Down there. Nice, timeless polishing cloth. Thank you for your purchase. We truly appreciate your business. Business card with the website on it. Bit of a warning for blades. I need a warning. Wow. And that's how it's presented, guys. That is beautiful. That is absolutely stunning. There she is. beautiful barbershop knurling grip. And this is the 0.95 gap. Blade exposure on this is 0.002. Scallop head. Isn't that beautiful? Nice big lever channels. And it's made of solid 304 stainless steel. Absolutely beautiful. And I think the diameter of the handle is 14 mil. The length of the handle I think is 84, 88 mil, something like that. It's got the timeless embossed on the bottom. Wow, that is beautiful. White washer on the end to protect the base plate. I got the polished steel version. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to try this. So excited. I think the threads are standard at M5, sorry. And the weight, the design of the handle with its thickness and everything else, the way it's machined, is supposed to be perfectly balanced. And it's a heavyweight. It comes in at 139.1 grams. So yeah, can't wait to do that. And it comes with a stand. What a beautiful stand. Highly polished. Great piece of engineering. Stamped on the bottom. And there it is, guys. And that's it. It would have been longer if the other package had turned up. Can't wait to try this. I'm so excited. So yeah. So thanks for joining me, guys, for this just a short video. Just wanted to share it with you guys because I was so excited with it. And happy birthday, Jay. Cheers, buddy. And I can't wait to try the matching splashes with the soaps now. So that's it, just a short one. Thank you so much for joining me. The other parcel should come tomorrow, so watch out for the another unboxing. There's a couple more razors coming. Right, if I don't see you tomorrow, have a fantastic weekend, guys. Whatever you do, stay safe and have fun. And I'll see you on the shave on Monday for the anniversary shave, 1 year on YouTube. So stoked. It's going to be a nice shave. I know it is. Right, I'll see you then, guys. Take care and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stay safe. Bye now.